Breaking news coming in from Karnataka. Karnataka government has handed over the Suraj Revanna case to CID. CID to probe sexual assault charges on Suraj. Suraj allegedly sexually assaulted a JDS worker. Breaking news. Karnataka government hands over Suraj Revanna case to CID. CID to probe sexual assault charges on Suraj. Suraj allegedly sexually assaulted JDS worker. Let's listen to Karnataka Home Minister's reaction on this.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಕಾನೂನಾತ್ಮಕವಾಗಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇಲಾಖೆಯವರು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕೂಡ ರಾಜಕೀಯದ ಪ್ರೇರಿತ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಆ ತರದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು ನನಗಂತೂ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಂದಿದೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್.
Anaga Kesaf is live with us on the broadcast. Anaga, could you give us more details on what exactly the CID is going to probe and the charges against Suraj?
Well, Chetna, it's been the charges leveled against Suraj are of sexual molestation under unnatural sex. The victim has alleged that when he had been to Suraj's farmhouse requesting him to help him get a job, Suraj went on to grope him, sexually molest him and even forcefully engage in unnatural sex with the victim. In fact, Suraj even filed a counter complaint against Chetan, stating that Chetan blackmailed me that he would go on to defame me and my family under charges of sexual molestation, and he in turn demanded 5 crore rupees from me. So a case has been registered. In fact, an FIR has been registered against the victim in this case, that's Chetan as well. The case registered against the victim is of extortion, and the case registered against Suraj Revanna is of sexual molestation. So all these complaint and counter complaint will be probed by the CID. With immediate effect, the case is transferred to CID. There's no clarity as to what's the time frame within which the CID has to complete its investigation. But, for what we know as of now is that the government has decided, in fact, what the Home Minister also said, that, was that cases of this nature, cases that involve sexual molestation and such heinous crimes must always be handed over to CID, and that's exactly what the Karnataka government is doing as well. So as of now, from the Hassan Police Department, the case will immediately be transferred to the CID. From there onwards, the investigation process will begin to ascertain whether Suraj Revanna is indeed guilty of sexual molestation. But today is the day when Suraj Revanna will be produced in front of the magistrate in Koramangala, post which it will be decided if he will be sent to police custody or judicial custody.
Right. Thank you, Anaga, for joining us with all those details.